Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just taking a quick moment to introduce you guys to this aroma diffuser set, and there's a set of essential oil by the brand Phatoil. I love the smell of them. Yes, I open it and I smell them and I love it. But let's take a moment to appreciate how cute the packaging is. Love it, and I just can't wait to turn it on and show you guys how to use it and tell you more about this. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for this product and the company's website. You can go ahead and check them out if you're interested. This will be the perfect gift for Christmas. So you can add it to your Christmas list and give it to a loved one. It's the perfect set, or you have other options to choose from also on the website. I can't wait to actually fire it up and smell how amazing it makes the house smell. But so far the oils do smell amazing, and they are pure essential oils. Included in this aroma diffuser set with 7 lead color options to choose from, a set of 6 essential oil. The oil bottles came sealed, so there's no leakage. It's easy to store away. It's a nice size. It comes with the measuring cup to fill it up. 1 cup of the measuring cup fills the tank up. I love the size. It is easy to use and can be used right out the box. Once you connect the power cord to it, you just fill the water tank with a volume of 100 milliliters and add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil and let it do its thing. The button on the right controls the light, and then the button on the left controls the mist. The more water in it, then the less mist you'll get. It is recommended that you clean the product every 2 to 3 days or after 5 to 6 use. And the instruction is as follows. You just unplug the unit from the main supply and remove the cover. Drain out any remaining water from the drainage side of the tank. Unplug power cord from the base of the unit. Put small amount of citric acid or neutral detergent used in kitchen into the water tank. Add less than 300 ml of warm water. Leave for 5 minutes, then drain from the drainage side of the tank. Wipe with a soft, clean cloth. Avoid ultrasonic vibration plate area while cleaning. Turn on the diffuser and work the light function. You just short press the light button once and it automatically changes color, or you can short press continuously to select the color you want manually, and long press the light button for 3 seconds and you turn off the light function. When the water tank is empty, the diffuser automatically shuts off on its own, and to restart it back, all you have to do is refill the tank, add the essential oil, cover it up and press the button and it will go. It literally had my house smelling so amazing because I have been using the peppermint scent and I just love it. It just have the entire living room and kitchen play area smelling so good. Phatoil is having a Black Friday sale, so you can go ahead and check out my description box for details and enjoy the sale. I promise you guys you will not be disappointed. And again, their essential oil smells so good and they are pure essential oils. And the box that the essential oil comes with can stand on its own and is perfect for storage and easy to store away and keep your oils safe. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video and are interested in either of these products, I'm gonna leave a link to these products in the description box. They are both sold separately, so you can get both or either of the two. So guys, until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.